So this right here is my first thing I'm gonna eat today. Breaking fast. This right here is a dragon fruit, or in other terms, pitaya. That's what some people call it in their country or whatever. It's yeah, I like to. It's good to break fast with like a water food. You know, food filled with water. You know, that's good because your body's still trying to clean out and digest properly from what you had the day before, the first thing you wake up. So introducing it to things with electricity, like um, this is good. It has iron, calcium, and magnesium. Good with those minerals. Has a couple of minerals. Good for your bones. Good for your skin, eyes, and it tastes pretty good too. Been eating it for a couple years now. One of my favorites. And yeah, I like to break fast with something light like a fruit or some nuts, but more than likely it's gonna be a fruit. One of these red globe grapes. You know, the seeded grapes, red globe grapes they call them. Um, but this is dragon fruit. So this is what we eat in a day. This is what we break fast. So we gonna break fast with something like this, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna cook up for our meal for the day, because we keeping it on one meal a day, and that's what we want to do to sustain our health and, like, you know, just have our healthy skin, healthy organs, and that's how we're doing it. And this is the first thing that we're introducing to our body for the day, besides water. And I'm gonna get into a tea that I do in another video, on another breakfast video, break fast video. But this is what we breaking fast with today. Smash the Shredda, subscribe, and I'm gonna show you what we gonna have for the our meal for today. Alright, so these right here, this is not really a meal. It's like a little snack or something that with some cashews. These is avocado oil barbecue flavored chips, potato chips with cashews, raw cashews. I like to go to this when I don't feel like really eating nothing heavy. So this right here, if it's not, it's a snack some days. But sometimes it'll be just this combination right here is all I'd eat for a day as well. So that's that's just a little insight on sometimes when I'm out on the road being plant-based, you don't really find any good spots that really cater to what you know. So I make it work. Alkaline veggie lo mein. Using quinoa pasta with a few strains of chickpea pasta, and I got kale, onions, peppers, um, oyster mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, all in there. And this is yuca mashed up. So y'all know if you haven't heard of yuca fries, instead of yuca fries, this is yuca mashed. All right. And here we have my cucumbers. So this is a meal right here for me. And this would be a main course for me. And yeah, still plant-based all the way. No flesh, none of that.